Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Kitchen Cooking. Today we will show you how to make katla with curd or dahi katla. We have taken 600 grams of katla fish which cuts in 5 pieces, and now we will marinating it with 4 tablespoons of refined oil and 1 tablespoon of normal salt for 2 hours. Today we are going to make dahi katla or katla fish with curd, and ingredients are 50 grams of chopped ginger, 2 coriander, cinnamon and cloves for one type of preparation, along with black pepper, cashew nuts, again 2 cloves, 1 cinnamon, 2 cardamom and 2 green chilies. And for preparation of dahi katla we have taken khashkhas or opium seeds or posto
or poppy seeds,
and white refined oil, 2 cups of curd or dahi, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of roasted butter, salt to taste, a little bit of lime juice. And in this, for preparation of dahi katla preparation, we have taken 2 small mixture bowl. First of all, we will soak it in 2 different way. In number 1 mixture bowl, we are pouring poppy seeds, 2 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of sugar, cashew nuts, salt to taste, along with 1 cup of curd. And stir it and soak it for half an hour. And now we are taking another small mixture bowl and we are pouring rest of 1 cup of curd, chopped ginger, whole black pepper 1 tablespoon, 2 green chili, 1 cinnamon, 2 pieces of cardamom, 2 cloves, and we'll soak it for half an hour. After that we'll grind it and we'll make 2 different gravy. And we will come back to you after frying the katla fish. After half an hour of soak of 2 different mixture grinder jar along with all the ingredients which we have said earlier, now we are grinding it and make a different mixture and collected in different bowl. Now we are collecting 2 different gravy from two different mixture grinder and pouring in a separate bowl. This mixture is combination of poppy seeds, curd and along with some spices, and this gravy is combination of curd, ginger, sugar and green chili, and we will use in separate manner in different time. We will come back to you shortly. We are preparing dahi katla, curd with katla fish, and we are frying with refined oil, and this katla is marinated for 2 hours, salt and white oil or refined oil. For making of curd with katla fish or dahi katla, we have marinated this katla fish with white oil and salt for 2 hours. After that we have deep fried it, and we have taken 600 grams of katla fish and 100 grams of or 100 ml of white oil, and we have already poured it and already fry it till deep brown, but it should be not so much stiff. Okay, now we'll come back to you shortly after completion of full frying. After frying the katla fish, I have taken all the katla fish from the hot kadai. Now we will deep fry it. 2 cardamom, 1 crushed cinnamon along with 2 cloves with full flame for 1 minute. And we are adding this ingredient for excellent aroma to my recipe, and this is the origin of recipe. The origin of recipe comes from West Bengal and Bangladesh. There is very famous and popular this recipe, and after frying this, we are pouring one gravy in low flame. That is ginger with dahi mixed, which we have already demonstrated you earlier. In this gravy, we have mixed it in our mixer grinder, ginger and curd along with green chili and others. Now we are releasing one by one fried katla fish on the kadai and cook it for another 1 to 2 minutes. Roll it, stir it. Now we are adding little bit of lime juice, roasted butter or ghee, salt to taste, always remember that our another our different paste, which is the combination of curd, opium seeds or poppy seeds along with others ingredient and cashew nuts gravy will add to my recipe at the end of the recipe, otherwise it will stick on the kadai. And as per the origin of recipe, we are now adding the final gravy for our final preparation of dahi katla, and we will cook it well for 30 seconds to 1 minute. After that we will again turn the fish for perfect cook. And always remember, the recipe should be cooked on low flame, low to medium flame. See the color of the recipe. We'll come back to you after 2 to 3 minutes. Always remember, this recipe is very popular, famous in Bengal province, and from last so many years, even decades, and even more than 100 years. When the tourists come in Bengal or West Bengal, the tourists always prefer to taste this recipe. This recipe is very pure, very healthy and very authentic. Not only that, this is very tasty and rich in aroma. Now our dahi katla is ready. Dahi katla, or it also called in English curd with katla fish. Now we are pouring in our serving bowl. See the color of the recipe and what a flavor, and you will really love it if you taste it. Even I cannot control myself. Friends, subscribe our YouTube channel Kitchen Cooking and press the bell icon, and don't forget to like, share and comment so we get motivation to do better in future.